This question says, here's a data set summarized as a stem and leaf plot. So this is a stem and leaf plot. What does this mean? Well, like this first row means the numbers are 51, no, 50, 50, 51, 53, 56, 56, 57, 57, 59, 59. Is that making sense? This 5 here means the 50s. So this is called the stem. It's the beginning, and then the leaves that come after. These are all the second digits, right? So 50, 51, 53, etc. on down the line. So I'll just go etc. Okay, so let's answer the questions. How many data values are in the data set? How many? Oh, we got to count them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 numbers there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers there. And 1, 2, 3 numbers there. Add those up. What is that? 33. So there's 33 total data values in the chart. What is the minimum value in the last class? So the last class is that one. What's the minimum value right here? We'd say 82. And then it says, what is the frequency of the modal class? What is the mode? Remember what mode is? You might be a little rusty on that. Mode is the category or the class. Well, let's just say the class or the class that occurs most often. So which one of those is the biggest? Well, clearly the 60s. So this is the modal class, right? There's more 60s than there is 50s or 70s or 80s. So that's the modal class. And it says, what's the frequency? What does frequency mean? How many? Like if I said, how frequently do you eat a meal every day? 3 times a day, maybe, right? Frequency means how many. So how many in the modal class? Well, there's 16. There's 16 numbers in the 60s, which is the biggest class. And finally, how many of the original values are greater than 60? Greater than 60? Well, starting right here, all of these are greater than 60. Make that a little smaller. Right here, all these, which is what? Which is 13, I think, because it's 16. Take away these 3, right? This is 16, right? 16 take away 3 is 13, plus all of these numbers are greater than 60, which is what? 5 numbers. Plus all of these numbers in the 80s are greater than 60, which is 3 more numbers. So add those up. What's it? 13, 18, 19, 21 numbers. 21 numbers. Do you see how I came up with that? How many are greater than 60? So don't count 60. 60 itself is not greater than 60. So skip those. But starting at 61 and onward, all these numbers are greater than 60. So that would be 13 numbers here because, 16 take away the 3, and then 5, and then 3. It's 13, 5, and 3. 21 numbers. So there we go.